Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Ahmad, your customer success manager. Do you know that in form field, every required field you add drops your conversion rate? So let's choose wisely. In your lead form, you'll see a toggle next to each field marked required. Here's the rule. Name and email address should be required for lead generation. Everything else you need to think hard. Adding phone number as a required field max can drop the conversion by 20 to 30%. So instead, mark it as optional. Best is to keep required fields maximum 2 to 3. Toggle required on only for fields you absolutely need for follow-up or for segmentation. Mark others as optional. You will get data from motivated leads without scaring away others. You can try and test both versions and watch your completion rate. Now you are maximizing lead capture without killing conversion. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.